first win against She. So
I think it's fantabulous. I'm sure the whole of India is just bursting with a lot of cheer and joy. The way it started from the draw date, I think the moment the draw came out and everybody was like, yeah, Ayush is going to play Shiyuchi. And there were some people who were disappointed. They're saying why in the first round and why not later. But I think it was a positive aspect to have him in the first round itself. And knowing that Ayush has always had some close matches to Shiyuchi. In fact, in the last Indonesian Open, if I'm not wrong, it's always been 21-19, 21-19 or three-setter. So I felt it is just that last bit where somewhere Ayush was, probably lacking. But getting into this tournament, the way he started the first game, you could sense it, the movements and everything. I think he looked very confident.
ma'am, after BAC, do you find any difference from his game in BAC against Shiuchi and this game?
Yes, I mean, look at the fact that it's pretty much all first for him because he's been picking up, say, for the past 1 year. He's been in the fray, but giving those kind of results, giving those extraordinary wins or the matches against the top players, it's coming in now. So, reaching the Asian Badminton Championships for the first time, it always is different. He's yet to experience a lot more. Now, these kind of experiences will make him tougher and stronger. Definitely in this, he knew his game. He's played him quite a few times in the past as well. Home ground, yes, it does, help, and we've clearly seen it towards the end when he was slightly getting jittery. You could sense from his body language. It was the crowd support also matters a lot. So the confidence you get, but more importantly, I think the game, what he played, the strategy was really up to the mark. What he should be doing against Shiyuki. In the second game, probably in the second half of the second game, slightly started wearing where he started actually playing Shiyuki's game style, more of returning what she would want to, play. So that's something which he got back in the third game in the initial half. And as we were sitting and watching, we said the first half of the third game has to be 11-4, and I think he was pretty close to our estimate. I said so that made a lot of difference. If it was going neck to neck, it would have been either way.
But Trupti, my question is, what if he had lost first debut on World Championship in front of world home crowd, leading against world number one? Do you think that would have been trauma for him? Not lifelong, I would say, but do you think such things affect?
Yeah, definitely. I think eventually we're all humans, so it will affect. But it is more important that how early he gets out of it. This is good. We say sometimes something like this happening is good. It gives you a good check on yourself. It allows you to analyze where what you have missed out on. What is your at such a stage. At the towards the end, how your mental strength is and how you can better it. I think it does give you a check. Let's take it positively rather than taking it negatively. I think that has been my funda throughout, and I prefer that makes a lot of sense even for the upcoming players. I think that helps you out, and then you come back stronger because you're working on your weaknesses, whether it is your mental strength, whether it is your physical fitness, or it is the strategy part.
Ma'am, any words on Sindhu's game? Like she lived up to what she was, the confidence that she showed during the pre-match press conference.
Yeah, I think pretty much. I think she had her way today, and it was much expected. The more important part being the first match for Sindhu, she would want to, kind of get used to the court atmosphere. I think this is what we generally have when you are entering in the first match and when you have a little lesser competitive round. So it's more important to get used to the court conditions. So I think that is how pretty much we saw it today.
Any tactical thing that you saw in Sindhu's game which actually she started on the right foot in?
Well, I would say not much because she didn't have much resistance from the opponent what she had today. So it wasn't as much. I think as the round progresses, we will be. I think she's playing, if I'm not wrong, Putri in the next round. So I think that will be a match to look at. And
Yeah.
that will allow you a lot more
Last
things.
World
Yeah.
Championship also she had a
And
exit again.
ma'am, any player that you find that can be a tough competitor for Sindhu in this draw?
I think this is World Championship, so every match is going to be good. Now the next round itself is going to be a good one, and the moment she starts, winning each round, it is going to get tougher. So she has to be prepared, and she's been in that fray for this is her sixth medal, which we are all looking forward to, and she's very well experienced. I think she knows how to do that.
Ma'am,
For India's best multi-sports coverage, your platform is one, and that's Rev Sports. So like, share, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. I think by now you know that we will be everywhere in different parts of the world and bring you on-ground reportage. As I said, your best multi-sports coverage on Rev Sports, your favorite destination.